Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can own a house in Enugu State for an initial deposit of just 2.5 million naira. That's about 5,000 USD with today's exchange rate. For just 2.5 million naira, and you can spread the balance within a period of 10 years or more. Here are a few things. Mortgage works in Nigeria, but a few companies have actually taken advantage of that and have made it available to individuals like you and I, business owners and people that don't work in the civil service. Prior to this period, we knew mortgage, that's the National Housing Fund, to only favor those that work in the public sector and not the private sector. Thankfully, that has changed. And now, even as a salary earner, even as a businessman, even as an entrepreneur, you can actually have access to mortgage. And especially here in Enugu. In Enugu at the moment, Enugu and abakaliki. In Enugu and abakaliki at the moment, we have 2-bedroom flats that you can access through mortgage and 1-bedroom flat as well as at the time I'm making this video. Of course, I'm going to give updates when more information comes or there are more opportunities. In abakaliki, you can own a 3-bedroom bungalow. Yes, a 3-bedroom bungalow, and I'll be showing you how. Here is how the mortgage works, or here are the requirements for mortgage currently as an entrepreneur or a business owner or as even a public servant. Now, the first thing you need to be able to access mortgage payments. I'm going to be telling you more about the houses, how much they are, and how you can access and your payment mode, right, or model. All right, I'm going to be telling you that in a moment. Now, the first thing you need are 7 passport photographs. So if you can make it up to 8, that is fine. Second is a current tax clearance date. Of course, when you hear this, a lot of people will be like, oh, Jeff, I don't have that. But that's okay. We can assist you in making sure you have that as well. The third thing you need is a pay slip for 3 consecutive months. The Federal Mortgage Bank wants to know that you have the capacity. So long as you're earning a minimum of 150,000 naira, you have it. Yes, I needed to point that out so that you don't get afraid and be like, oh, Jeff, it's for people that earn 1 million. No. As long as you earn a minimum of 150,000 naira and above monthly, you can access this. And the major requirement you actually need is a 6 months bank statement. Okay, a 6 months bank statement. When I was about to access my own, I deliberately began to pass funds through a particular account. For those that have not been deliberate about it, you still have some time, at least to the end of this year, channel your funds through a particular account. The major requirement you need is 6 months bank statement. Again, if you have questions, please leave it in the comments or reach out to that number on your screen, 0809 6737 668, as we go along. Then number 4, once you're 60 years of age, you can access mortgage again. And that is why I think this is a very good opportunity for young people like me and you that are not up to 60 years. Once you're 20 years and above, you can access this, and you're earning at least 150,000 naira monthly. You can access this. Your birth certificate or declaration of age, your birth certificate or declaration of age is what is required. I mean, it's one of the documents required because they need to know your age. Then number 5, you need a means of identification. You need a means of identification, either a driver's license, an international passport, and a national ID card. Any of these can serve. Then number 6, you need utility bill. So even your last electric bill, like me, I use prepaid. So the way I was able to get my utility bill was I had to just buy some units, all right? Then print out the slip, right, for the address. And the utility bill you're going to use must carry the address you're going to be using in your application. They must conform. Number 7, then you need an updated NHF contribution passbook. You don't have to bother about that. When you reach out, we'll let you know how to go about this. These 7 items, was it 7? Yes, 7 items are like the standard things you need to access mortgage currently in Nigeria. The main property available current for mortgage in Enugu is a 2-bedroom flat and a 1-bedroom flat somewhere at Akuke Gariki area. Okay, from the express, it's easy to access Akuke Gariki area. It's an estate called Sandview Estate. Sandview Estate. That is it there. Sandview Estate. Sandview Estate is an estate. It's going to be like this. You can see that block of flats. One side are 2-bedroom flats, the other side are 1-bedroom flats. That is what's currently available for mortgage in Enugu. And for the 2-bedroom flats, the 2-bedroom flat worth 12 million naira. Again, like I said, you get to pay 2.5 and then spread the balance within a period of minimum of 10 years. So it can be more than 10 years. Then there are the 1-bedroom flats. 1-bedroom flats are 9 million naira. Of course, you can pay outright if you want to, or you can pay by installment, 3 months, 6 months if you want to. But if you want to use the mortgage option, I've just told you that it is available for you and you have no restriction. Here is a breakdown of this 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom, the fees you're going to be paying. That's that 2.5 million naira. For the 1-bedroom is actually 1.850. Right, 1,850,000 naira. So the first thing you're going to be paying for is application form fee and equity contribution. All right, application form fee and equity contribution. I'm just going to run through this. You will get a copy of the document when you reach out to me, but I'll just quickly run through it so that you have an idea. Okay, so application form fee and equity contribution is 920,000 naira for the 1-bedroom and 1.220 million for the 2-bedroom. Now, notice that these prices will change from the 30th of September 2022. There is a chance these prices will change from the 30th of September 2022 because of inflation, all right? Because of inflation. As at the time I'm making this video, this is June 2022. So the next payment is AG Mortgage Bank Processing Fee. Now, you cannot access mortgage directly from Federal Mortgage Bank except you're a group, but as an individual, you can't access this mortgage directly from Federal Mortgage Bank. However, you can through a primary mortgage bank, and currently in Enugu, the mortgage bank that is in use is AG Mortgage Bank. All right, so the processing fee for the 1-bedroom is 232,000 naira, and for the 2-bedroom is 295,000 naira. Number 3, there's some ancillary fees like your survey fee, which is the one-time payment, your legal fee, which is a one-time payment, EEDC prepaid meter. Of course, by the time they are done building the house, they're going to install the EEDC prepaid meter for you with the estate maintenance fee. For the 1 and 2-bedroom flats, it is 165,000 naira, 165,000. Now, the 4th payment is the Enugu State government fees. So, perfection, they're going to perfect your title. Now, the estate has a C of O, okay? However, by the time they give you a deed of assignment, they're going to go and perfect it at Ministry of Land. These fees for the 1-bedroom is 520,000 naira. For the 2-bedroom is 810,000 naira. And that brings us to this initial deposit I said we are going to pay. For the 1-bedroom, the initial deposit is 1,850,000 naira. That's the initial deposit for the 1-bedroom. For the 2-bedroom, initial deposit is 2,490,000 naira. That is the initial deposit to gain access to these properties. Note that as at the time of making this video, this 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom, they are off plan, they have not been completed. So by the time you make your deposit, give them about 6 months to complete it. May not be up to, be a little above, but 6 months on the average to complete your building. I've made a video of the 1 and 2-bedroom. That's the next video you're going to be seeing, or click on this link there to access this video. Now, this is a sweet opportunity for you to own your own house, right? You can own the 2-bedroom or the 1-bedroom. Everybody has access to owning a house of their own with the benefit of paying for as much as 20 years, minimum of 10 years, and as much as 20 years, so long as you're within the ages of 25 years to at least 50 years. That is ample time. So give me a call today. Call me on 08096737668. Let us book your own apartment. Welcome to Sandview Estate. Sandview Estate is at Gariki, Enugu, just off the express road, the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express Road. Sandview Estate is a block of flats, some 2 bedrooms and 1-bedroom flats right here in Enugu. I'm going to tell you the good news at the end of this video. So here's the entrance. See what the doors look like. This is the parlor, one window there. Parlor, a sizable parlor. This is the kitchen. So just after the parlor, you see the kitchen. Of course, they are still under construction. You're buying at off plan. That is the back door. Back door leads outside. So when you come in here, to the right is the first room. This is the 2-bedroom flats. These are the 2-bedroom flats. And then there's a toilet and the bathroom and the next room. Okay, so these are basic buildings, basic parts. You can actually get this thing on mortgage and pay for as much as 30 years. Pay for as much as 30 years. I'm going to be showing you how at the end of this video. So this is the backyard. This is the back. See what the back looks like. Look at that. So there is a car parking space right here. So this is for the 1-bedroom apartments. This is for the 2-bedroom. This is for the 2-bedroom apartments. So let me show you what the 1-bedroom apartments look like. When you come in here, this is the door. This is the parlor. This is the parlor right there. Then there's a lobby right here. There's a lobby. Then the kitchen. The kitchen is right there, quite spacey. Then the room. This is the major room. This is the one room with a wardrobe space right there. And then the toilet and bathroom. The toilet and bathroom. Okay. So the 1-bedroom apartments. So this is it. This is Sandview Estate, Enugu. This is Sandview Estate, Enugu. Call us today on 0809673768 for a quick inspection, a free inspection.